In this video, I will show you how to change the language in Google Chrome. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Google Chrome on your device. Once you've done that, you want to come across to google.com and then come up to the top right hand corner and click onto your profile icon. Now what that's going to do is bring up a menu like this, and if you look down towards the bottom of the menu, you're going to see the option for language. So just go ahead to give that a click, and this way you can come to actually change your language and also your region. So what you need to do is click onto the display language button here. Then what you can do is choose any of the available languages from here. So for example, if we wanted to change to Spanish, I would click onto Spanish and then confirm. And as you can see, what it's going to do is actually change the language in Google Chrome. So that is how to change the language in Google Chrome. With that being said, I hope this tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.